You know what I want? Sour cream onion chips. Can we get those?
We can't, we're on keto. I don't have any potatoes, so I can't help you there. We can make biscuits. Sounds easy enough. I need you to tell me my ingredients. Slice your scallions into small pieces crosswise, not diagonally, and set aside. Look at these sick knife skills. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients and whisk. Cube up your butter into half-inch pieces. Make sure the butter is as cold as possible, so only take it out of the fridge when you're ready. Now add the butter to your dry ingredients and toss around to get it nice and coated. Get weird with it and start smashing it between your fingers and flatten between your palm until there are tiny, pea-sized bits. Add your chopped up scallions and toss to distribute evenly. Now create a well in the center and add the sour cream. Use a fork and start working in circles. Once it starts to look like a shaggy dough, start folding the dough over itself a few times. Knead the dough on a lightly floured surface twice. Work the dough into a rectangle about 8 inches by 4 inches in size and 1 inch thick. Fold the dough over on the short sides, then work it back into the same size rectangle and repeat the fold. Shape into a rectangle one more time and cut 8 even biscuits. Transfer your biscuits to your baking sheet and gently brush with your melted butter. Then sprinkle with some sea salt. Now bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until golden brown in a 350-degree oven. It smells so good.
Now serve these biscuits with some sour cream and black pepper, or just use some plain old butter. Either way, they were really freaking good.